I miss my taco, but in kisses, hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete.
Hey dolls, and welcome back to another vlog. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. Hey guys, we are back at our second home for today. Ulta Beauty. Gotta run in here and get some stuff because prom is this weekend. It's this Saturday, May 21st. So I have to come in here and get some last minute things that are needed. I tried to avoid having to get all this stuff at one time, but I'm such a procrastinator, so I did not shop ahead. So now I have to buy everything all at once. So hopefully it don't hurt the bank too bad. Okay. Thank you so much, Aiden. Ooh, y'all look my auntie made. Homemade, baby. The homemade.
Yes.
They so pretty. How you get them to look so pretty like this?
I don't know how they taste, girl.
I mean, the presentation.
Can you just taste one?
Well,
And let me see you when you taste it.
it smells. Never mind.
It ain't nothing but fabulous salt.
In my mouth because I'm not touching it.
Okay, baby.
Yeah. It ain't nothing but
It's
fabulous
hard to just pick up one because
salt. It's okay, just pick
it's
up.
like they all together. Honey.
Next is got the,
Is it good?
what is it, baby? You know, you and your son.
He ain't said nothing, so.
They
Oh,
good, hey,
he said, mm-hmm.
how was school, sweetie? Have y'all had field days?
Girl, it don't smell good. What you got in that little
What is
thing?
field days? Oh, really? You got somebody coming?
Mm.
Your mom going?
I put all my baby stuff.
Are you still at
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. I am at my mom's house. Today is Wednesday, and we have just prepared this dinner for you guys. I'll let y'all see it once everything is completely done. Say hey, brother.
Yeah.
Say hey, brother. Boy, what is all that for? Alright. Look how she giving you them demands on the camera. Send that boy with he grown.
Oh, no. This has to down.
We're gonna bake some brownies for dessert.
Down the oil spilling out.
Well, ain't good enough.
Hurry up, okay? Hurry up, baby. Hurry up, sweetie. Thank you. What's wrong with you? You're going crazy.
So listen, so, can they miss brownies?
No, Tyler. I wouldn't do that.
How many boxes did you buy? How many boxes did you buy?
One more.
Five of them.
Just one. What is it, baby? Every
said stop.
time I'm done, you want to bother me. What is it? I said, get out of the way.
You bought one box of brownies for all of you?
I mean, who greedy?
You should go. Girl. Enough to come bottom of the pot.
Nah, boo. Nah, not when you know how to make them. All right, where your eggs at? Where your eggs at? Oh,
In the microwave.
Man. You got a mixer, ma?
No, yeah, your wrist is motherfucker.
Yeah, you know what?
You make up this boy.
Can it be brownies? You don't let your son keep saying that? Where's she at?
What if they didn't have? What you think folks was back in the days? They didn't have measuring cups.
It ain't got nothing to do with me. I follow directions.
I'm just saying. You follow directions. Like hell you do.
Gary, you is comical.
Oh, I like this one. Okay, let's put some light on.
Whew. Girl, you ain't got no mixer, man. You ain't got time to
It
do
is not
that.
that serious, sweetie.
It hurt.
Oh!
You got it, sister? Sister Worthing?
My name is Jazzy.
Sister Worthing. Girl, everybody know what name you were born with. Jesus.
22 minutes.
Let me get that out.
You can leave them open.
Will it fit?
And then you have to keep baking soda and vinegar and bleach powder. Who told you that must do it? Yeah, let me get my phone. I want to see recording. Crazy.
I mean, you could at least squished it together and make it look like you hadn't been eating it.
But this is my food, honey.
But it's for the
Hurry up.
presentation.
You could just fix a plate.
So this is the food, the finished product my mom did. Can you please not smack in the background? She stand on the camera like, oh, first of all, plate right there. She doing like this to look over here like she don't know what plate look like. It's the same thing, baby. And then she doing like this. She doing like this.
ASMR?
Like what?
Lord have mercy. All I want to do is eat my food. I've never seen it this hard to eat food.
My mom is the real OG. She stopped eating her food so I could get this clip. Who you know? Most people be like,
And
Love
I
that.
did. And I did.
She support the cause, y'all. She supports that I'm a YouTuber. All right.
Yes, I do.
All right, go ahead. You can eat.
And do.
Installation framing so that they can look simple.
All right, y'all. So what? We are at the car wash. Oh, that scared me. Me and Aiden are at the car wash. Say hey, Aiden. Hey guys. Finally getting this little dirty car wash, honey.